Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. Landlord umkhokha the curse. Guys, it is happening, right? Okay, let us start with Umabusi. Umabusi Uvulindlela is sick, guys. Uvulindlela, there is no hope. Uvulindlela at this point, there is crying every day, every non-stop. Ne? He is not sick in a manner yoguti he might go and reunite with his ancestors very soon. However, he's sick in such a way that the parents are not enjoying him because at this he's still a young child. They should be enjoying being new parents and stuff. But because of his sickness and him always crying, they're not enjoying having a little baby. Now, with that said, they all went to their different rooms and prayed and did whatever, but nothing is working out. Even Abo Nokubonga no Nomkosi, they have sacrificed Nabo Kulekani. Everyone is involved in making sure Uguti Uvulindlela Uba right. To an extent, Uguti Umanzimande even thanked Nokubonga to say, Nokubonga, thank you for being actively involved in this child's life. You know, even when the mother was sick, even now, like you are here. Umama ke uye wahamba aphethe ukugula lokhu kumphethe, you are here. Even now, same story, like you are just hands on. I'm grateful for that. Ke uvulindlela ahambe ubaba khe ayokhuleka entabeni, ahambe uMabusi ayokhuleka esikhwameni, right? But no results. The child even got sick. When Unokubonga was trying to feed the child, nothing worked. Umanzimande took out iringamvelasi and gave it to Uzamqolo. So now I'm asking myself, does this ring give extra powers or what's happening with this ring? But he was given a ring in this situation, in this scenario, in this difficulty that they are facing as a family or as a couple. And then kube indaba ka Mamzobe. Umamzobe sleeping in hospital, bills are piling, and then like the house is being sold. At this point, there is no hope, there's nothing that can be done. But ke umamzobe while bayombona family, hayi imishini idume guys, idume imishini. Siyazi ukuthi bengekacime mara bese sihleli ngesibune esiwane, yabona esofeni sihleli ngesibune esiwane. Sicama ukuthi uyacima fine ke akacimanga. Mamzobe miraculously recovered and is now back home. Even the doctors are not 100% okay with her going back home, but girl is back home with a bang, right? She got home with a bang, tells Kabsile, Kabsile, call Umabusi for me. I want to apologize for stealing her underwear and doing witchcraft with it. I want to speak all the truths. Ayo Kabsile did not do as instructed, but rather told Umamake Uguti, this family has been through a lot. Our house was almost sold just to save you and make sure Uguti bills are paid. Horwanyana bona. Rozamme man, Zameha, basically. Zameha, and then keep quiet about this thing. You have already been forgiven, hence you're still alive. So currently that matter is to rest. Right? Kube uNdlovu, guys. uNdlovu decides to go to Ukhulekani. Goes to Ukhulekani after umkhandlo, after isonto limbonisile ama-films, naye sekabonile ukuthi this is too much to bear. Goes to Ukhulekani, lies to Ukhulekani, and speaks as if ilokhunja laba bamdampile, they demanding money and I Khulekani went to approach them. Khulekani told them where to get off one by one, right? But the sad part is he did not give them an opportunity to put a word in. By them not being able to put a word in, they were so frustrated and asked ulokhunja ugatsheni ukuthi wenzenjani Ndlovu phela. uNdlovu then explained ukuthi if you dare mess with me, I'll make things even worse for you guys. So again, uNdlovu has won and then Umkhandlo has lost. So it's 2 for Ndlovu, 0 for Umkhandlo at this point. But yeah, this is your girl, Disebo D. Please do like, share and subscribe. I love you. Peace. Bye.